This course, we will learn how to write our own decentralized autonomous organization in the Ethereum blockchain. So we will be building two different kind of DAO in the blockchain. So first will be the blockchain congress. So blockchain congress will be a centrally controlled organization which will run on top of the Ethereum blockchain. So here there will be one administrator who will be taking the responsibility of adding and removing the members from the congress. So once the member has been added, that particular member or any of the available members can actually send or submit a proposal in form of the Ethereum transactions. So Ethereum transaction can be anything, either change the membership of the admin, or it can be sending an ether to someone else. So then members can vote either in favor or against the proposal for a certain specific time. Once this process is done, then the vote will be tallied, and then the winner will be declared whether the proposal has been passed or failed. Once the if the proposal has been passed, any of the member can execute the proposal and actually execute the transaction. So this whole thing can be done in a different manner in a different any number of times. Then we'll be building a shareholder organization where the ownership of the organization will be represented by the crypto token. So we'll be creating a crypto token, and then we'll be connecting that crypto token to the organization by actually issuing the shares to anyone who will be investing in their organization. So let's say if you have created a mutual fund on the blockchain, then whoever will be investing into that mutual fund, you will be issuing the shares of that mutual fund back to the person, so that you can distribute the profit in the pro rata basis based on the shareholding of that particular person. So let's say person owned 10% of the mutual fund because he invested 10% in that, in the whole mutual fund account. Then he'll be receiving the 10% of the profit every time the profit comes back. So all the ownership, everything will be represented by the shares. These shares can be sold and traded anytime without involving the shareholding organization. Then any of the shareholding members can propose a transaction by submitting a proposal into the organization. Then the vote can be tallied after the deadline, because the votes are actually connecting to the shares, where one share is equal to one vote. And once there are enough margin after the deadline, the proposal can be passed or failed, and then it will be executed by any member or through some timers or monitoring function. So this is how we'll be building. So to come to that, we'll be actually understanding first what is blockchain, Ethereum, smart contracts. If you are already aware of it, you can definitely skip that part. And then we'll talk about the what is Ethereum virtual machine and Solidity, in which we'll be typing the code. Then we'll talk about what is DAO, what exactly DAO and how they work, what some of the examples and how they behave exactly. Then we will jump into writing the source code by actually setting up the development environment first. So we'll install the Mist or Ethereum wallet, and then we'll set up the syntax highlighting in the coder, in the Sublime text editor, and then we'll code. So this will be the token which will represent the shares. This will be the blockchain congress, where we'll write the rules for the blockchain congress, and then we'll type the shareholding organization, and then we'll write the so all the methods and functions over here for the new proposal, changing the voting rules, creating the associations and the modifiers and everything. So I'm sure using this course, you will be able to create your own DAO as per your own choice and build your own business out of it. So let's say if you know the how to build the backend, then you can always connect that backend to your web interface and make the full functional website which will be representing a DAO. So this can be a fully automated business, but you need to understand the the consequences as well as the the benefit of working and creating the DAO. So this course can actually help you setting up your own business based on the DAO without any doubt. And the imaginations you can implement are endless. You can whatever you can imagine can be possible by actually running an organization in the blockchain. So I'm sure you will enjoy the course. If you haven't signed up, please sign up this course, and then you have a lot of things to learn beyond that. If you want to make a profitable business, a profitable venture out of it. Thank you.